Now we have verb appartenir. Now répétez après moi. It's very important, my team. Use this. Mais comment vous augmentez votre niveau de français? Cette implication d'ordre méthodologique s'accompagne. What is s'accompagne? We have a verb accompagner. We have a verb, répétez après moi, s'accompagner. Répétez après moi. S'accompagner. Is my verb to belongs to. Exactement. C'est clair, my team. Claire? D'accord? Now, what I'm saying over here is, let me take you to the screen again. I'm saying over here, cette implication, this environment, d'autres méthodologiques, we have methodologic in English also, s'accompagne d'une motivation culturelle, is to accompany with the cultural motivation, a affective, and exact me, it is and affective, a we have and affective. You have to read chaque dossier, chaque we have every file. C'est clair. Chaque dossier aborde, répétez après moi, every file addressed to the problematic à dimension universelle, the dimension of the universal dimension. Aborde, aborde is my verb to press, I would say, adresser steps. This file address of the problematic of a dimension, universal dimension, I would say. C'est clair? Par exemple, répétez après moi, les articles de presse, répétez après moi, les articles.
S'adresser and abord. Which one is the best vocab?
I can say anything. S'adresser, aborder. I have to use the synonym. Now, for example, you say, il s'adresse, il aborde. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Oui.
C'est clair? Les articles de presse, répétez après moi. Les articles de presse, yes, the press article. See, I'm saying, mademoiselle, par exemple, vous apprenez exactement, you are learning the language, friend. Mais comment vous augmentez votre niveau? Comment vous enrichissez votre niveau? Mais ici, vous lisez les choses, les articles de presse, les extraits, répétez après moi. Les extraits, we have extracts, radiophonique extraits, radiophonique. C'est clair, mais aussi les textes appartenant, répétez après moi, mais aussi les textes appartenant. What is appartenant, my team? We have verb appartenir in the verb to belongs to, but also this text belonging to, or patrimoine, répétez après moi, patrimoine, répétez après moi, patrimoine, we have heritage, you know, hereditary, heritage, patrimoine littéraire, répétez après moi, littéraire. So I'm saying this is a literally heritage, this learning concept, yes. Lisez les articles de presse, écoutez les extraits radiophoniques, écoutez, listen the excerpt of the radiophonique. C'est clair. Mais aussi, but also les textes, these texts belongs to the patrimoine, we have heritage. Sont autant d'occasions pour apprendre, sont autant, répétez après moi, very important, sont, répétez après moi, autant, repeat after me, so autant are as many. Autant. C'est clair. Is it clear to you, Harvinder?
Yes.
C'est clair. D'occasion. Répétez après moi. All of you, repeat after me. D'occasion, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre opportunities. Are as many as opportunities. I can say like this. So autant d'occasion. What is that, Harvinder? Shin. Son autant d'occasion, Shin, are many as opportunities. C'est occasion pour l'apprendre, for learning. The rencontrer l'autre. For learning, rencontrer is my verb to meet with the others. Rencontrer l'autre. Répétez après moi.
Rencontrer l'autre.
Meeting of the other et d'exprimer ses connaissances and express your knowledge and express their knowledge. Exprimer ses connaissances. Express their knowledge. Ses représentations, their representation. Et son ressenti and their feeling. Ressenti. Répétez après moi. Ressenti. Repeat after.
Ressenti.
Exactement, mighty. And their feeling. C'est également dans ces esprits d'ouverture. It means this is equally the spirit, open spirit. You know, open mind, open. This open spirit, I would say.
Yes, sir.
Spirit d'ouverture. Say Claire, my team. What is ouverture, Mademoiselle Shen? We have ouverture is to opening of the spirit. Say Claire.
Okay.
d'échange, we have exchange. See, every session is under recording. Shen, Ranveer, Mademoiselle Lakhanpal. You have, see, once you will get a recording, the remote control would be in your hand. Pause the record. If I'm saying esprit ouverture, pause the recording. Say Claire, my team. Is it clear? Pause the recording and again listen. Esprit d'ouverture, then repeat, then pause, then rewind, then move forward. Use these techniques. I want every concept which we are doing over here today. Listen to me. I want every voice, whatever I'm saying, has to be in my WhatsApp. Say Claire, all of you, that how you can everything. Échange interculturel. Échange, we have exchange, intercultural exchange. Que nous proposons des rendez-vous interculturels, which we propose. Rendezvous, we have meeting, appointment, rendezvous. That we propose some meetings of intercultural. Say Claire. Qui donne, what is donne? Can anyone tell me what is donne?
Give.
Yes, donne is my verb to give. Mademoiselle Lakhanpal, did you understand the concept? Donne.
Yes.
Donne is my verb to give. And watch my sessions again and again in A Square and in Albert House. In Albert House, we have a lot of grammar. Albert House session, which we made it. Why? Only for a grammar in French. We have 50-60 videos that will work for a grammar only. Donne is a verb to give. Say Claire, donne. Qui donne, why donne? Because this is your plural. Qui donne. Say Claire. Is it clear to you, my team?
Yes, sir.
Now over here we have, where is that gone? Okay. Qui donne la parole, which give your speak. Parole, what is parole? Your speech.
Speech.
À des personnes de nationalités différentes. Exactement. Which give your parole of the person of a different nationality. Say Claire, my team. Pour mieux comprendre, for better understanding, mieux, best and better. Répétez après moi. Pour mieux comprendre. Répétez après moi. Pour mieux comprendre. Pour mieux use these phrases. For better understanding, le document est écrit, the document writing, et oraux. Oraux, we have oral.
Oral.
Et décoder, decoding, and decode les implicités, and decoding your involvement, socioculturel, exactement. Now, par exemple, my team, vous parlez très bien la langue française, you speak very good in French language, then you can involve in a socio-cultural environment thing, maybe in France, and vous pouvez parler avec les gens étrangers, you can speak with the foreigner, exactement. Les apprenants pourront se référer à un abécédaire culturel situé en annexe. It means your learning could refer to a abécédaire culture. You know, abécédaire, we have abécédaire, the learning concept of the culture. Abécédaire. Répétez après moi.
ABCD.
C'est clair?
ABC.
ABCD, c'est A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, ABCD, alphabet. C'est clair? ABC books जो होती हैं, the ABC books I would say. He's saying your learning could refer to a ABCD culture which is situated in annexure. C'est clair?
Oui.
D'accord? My team, you have to read and send me a voice recording till here. And tomorrow we'll start this thing again. We'll read till these lines. See, it is very important. Encarte contient les enregistrements. You will use these objectifs enrichis. So, first of all, I'm trying my best to increase your writing and your oral, which can only be possible. I'm telling you my personal experience, my team, why we are reading this. Why we're spending a time in this? Tell me why. Why I'm giving you my recordings? Why? So that you will read, listen, and you can send me voice recording. So you have to send me. I will share the book, Harvinder. Okay. So you have to send me your voice recording, and very good voice recording with your every vocabularies. You have to explain the vocabularies also. Okay. Till here. And next, say Claire. All of you, is it clear to you?
Oui.
Clear? Okay. So practice hard the session. I will share the recording. Okay. And I will meet you tomorrow then. C'est clair? On va se rencontrer demain. Till the time, practice hard my team. C'est clair? D'accord?
Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Au revoir.
Au revoir.